Here's what you need to know about FileCR before downloading anything from it. FileCR is a site that offers free downloads of software, games, and apps, many of which are cracked or pirated. Security analysis tools give FileCR a low trust score and flag it as suspicious, triggering risk indicators and potential malware warnings. User reports are very mixed. Some people download files without visible issues, while others report serious problems, including antivirus flags, corrupted systems, stolen account access, and files bundled with malware requiring major cleanup. The core problem is that cracked and unauthorized software carries inherently high malware exposure risk because nobody is verifying the code the way an official developer would. Bottom line, FileCR is high risk, and its downloads cannot be trusted with your system or personal data. Always get software from official vendors and verified distributors. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.